Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson in Introductions. Today we're going to learn how to ask and answer the question, what is your name? To ask, what's your name? You say, ko wai tō ingoa. Ko, start sentences that introduce someone or something. Wai means who. Tō ingoa means your name. So it's kind of like saying, who's your name? To answer, we replace why with our name, and we can change tō ingoa to tōku ingoa, which means my name, or ahau, which means me. Ko wai tō ingoa. What's your name? Ko Maria tōku ingoa. My name is Maria. Or, ko Maria ahau. I'm Maria. Kia ora! Ata Māori e. Ko Maria ahau. Ko wai tō ingoa. Ko rewi tōku ingoa. There you have it. Now you know how to ask and answer the question, what's your name, in Māori. Ka kite!